Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 crash on loading screen. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first just click here and type Windows Update Settings, and after that click check for updates and then install the updates that you can find here, and then go to background apps, turn off all those background apps here, and then restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, go to device manager and then just update those drivers, GPU drivers, search automatically for updates, and that's it. Now just run it as administrator and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.